Hello, and welcome to another UGA Big Data tutorial. Today, in this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to run a Java 8 job on the GACRC Zcluster, which features the new Java 8 parallel stream filter. So let's go ahead and get started. The first step is to go ahead and generate a build file from which you would like to run Java from. To do that in Eclipse, you go to Eclipse, and you right-click on your project. You go down to Export, and you select under General and Build Files and select Next. From there, you make sure that the one you want to generate a build file is selected, and simply click Finish will generate that build file. Once you have done that and uploaded your files to the GACRC, the next step is to log in to the cluster. So to do that, we'll type in SSH. Okay, once we are logged in to the cluster, I've already set up few folders here, and we're going to be running the performance evaluation number 2. And corresponding with that one, we have the performance evaluation 2.shell script. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at that shell script. As you can see here, Java 8 is not default on the Zcluster, so we need to go ahead and export the Java home and the ant home, because for Java 8 you need to have ant 1.90 or above for it to run. So once you do that, it cds into the performance evaluation 2 directory, and it runs the ant test target inside the ant file. Once you have all that set up, the next part is to actually submit the job to the queue. Today in this example, we'll be using the RCC-30 days queue. So to do that, you type in queuesub -queue RCC-30 days. And we're going to be running it with threads, so we're going to type in -pe and thread. And here's where you would put the amount of threads you would like your program to use. This is the same as the cores that you will be allocated for your job, so we'll go ahead and put in 2. And we'll put in our shell script. And click Enter. As you can see there, your job has now been submitted to the Zcluster. So to check that, we simply can type in qstat, and we can see that the job is now running. For example here, I already have one that's already completed running, so we'll go ahead and take a look at what that outputs. It outputs a folder called JUnit, and inside the JUnit folder is our test. As you can see there, we have a test file in XML format, which will show you the results of your test. This will give you the times of all the tests that you ran inside the JUnit test file. That concludes running a Java 8 job on the GACRC Zcluster.